I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store theme. We'll start by understanding the fundamental building blocks that make up your online store's look and feel. A well-crafted theme is crucial for creating a strong brand identity and providing an excellent shopping experience for your customers. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced customization, ensuring your store stands out. Get ready to transform your vision into a stunning, functional e-commerce presence. Choosing the right theme is your first big step. Shopify offers hundreds of themes, both free and premium, in its extensive theme store. Take your time to explore options that align with your brand's unique style and product offerings. Once selected, the intuitive drag-and-drop theme editor allows you to customize colors, fonts, and layouts with ease, requiring absolutely no coding knowledge. This empowers you to create a visually appealing store that truly reflects your business. For those seeking more control, Shopify provides access to the theme's underlying code. This allows for advanced customization beyond the visual editor. You can delve into Liquid, Shopify's powerful templating language, to create dynamic content and unique layouts. Implementing custom CSS and JavaScript can further enhance your store's design and add interactive elements. This level of customization ensures your store can achieve a truly bespoke look and feel, setting it apart from competitors. Before going live, rigorous testing is absolutely essential. Preview your new theme across multiple devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, to guarantee a seamless and responsive experience for every customer. Thoroughly test all functionalities, from adding products to the cart to completing the checkout process, ensuring everything works perfectly. Once you are completely satisfied with just one click, you can publish your theme, making your beautifully crafted store available to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.